What's up guys, Caleb at LawnCraft. Today I'm reviewing the MySoil Test Kit. I got it for my lawn, but you can use it for any ornamentals, vegetable gardens, things like that. Now, if you are testing different zones like your front and backyard, you'll need a kit per zone, but yeah, let's get into it. All right guys, so I've pulled all the plugs from all around the yard. Probably about 8 total. Four in the front, 4 in the backyard. I'm just mixing it up now and then we'll prepare to add it. So do not remove contents, just add soil. Contains nutrient absorbing capsule and water. So this is what this thing's for. Just scoop it. All right, now all I have to do is stick it in this bag, get it milled out, and I should have results in 6 to 9 days. Thanks for watching.